Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to embed a video into your Google Slides presentation. The process is quite simple. First, select the slide where you want the video to appear. Navigate to the top menu, click on Insert, and then choose Video. A window will open with options for YouTube or Google Drive. If you choose YouTube, you can paste the specific URL of the video right here. Alternatively, you can select Google Drive to upload a file from your cloud storage or your computer. To demonstrate, I will use a YouTube link. Copy your link using Command-C or Control-C if you are on Windows, and then paste it into the box using Command-V or Control-V. Press Enter, highlight the video you want, and click the Insert button. The video will now be added to your slide. You can preview it by clicking play or pause. You can also move the video to your preferred spot and drag the corners to make it larger. That is how you add a video. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.